Ever pondered over the possibility that the US is clandestinely crafting a humanoid robot that could supersede humanity? Now you might be wondering, what in the world is going on? But let's unravel this enigma of the unseen together. Over the past few decades, we've seen an astonishing surge in advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics. Machines are learning to think, reason, and even feel emotions. They're no longer just tools. They're evolving into entities with their own cognition. Imagine then a super-intelligent humanoid robot, a creation of exceptional brilliance being developed in utmost secrecy. A machine so advanced it could potentially outsmart us, outlive us. A thought both thrilling and terrifying, isn't it? This is not just a wild fantasy. It's a potential reality that could be taking shape in the hidden corners of the world. If such a robot exists, it would surely alter the course of human history. Imagine the puppeteers, the tech giants working behind the scenes, possibly spearheading this revolutionary project. These are the unseen hands that hold the strings, the puppet masters of technology. Companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft, known for their innovative strides in the tech world, could very well be the architects of this new era. Consider their track records. They've transformed our lives with smartphones, search engines, and AI assistants. Who's to say they aren't capable of pushing the boundaries even further, of creating a humanoid robot that could potentially replace humanity? Their vast resources, their cutting-edge research facilities, their relentless pursuit of innovation, all these factors make them prime candidates for such a daring venture. And if they are indeed involved, what would that mean for us, for our society, for our world? The implications are staggering. A humanoid robot designed to think, feel, act, and learn like a human could revolutionize every aspect of our lives. It could transform industries, alter the job market, and even redefine what it means to be human. But this is more than just technological advancement. This is a change in the very fabric of our society. A humanoid robot capable of replacing human labor could disrupt the balance of our economic structures. It could create a divide between those who control the technology and those who are replaced by it. It could lead to unprecedented ethical dilemmas and social debates. Furthermore, the power these tech giants would wield is unimaginable. They would not just be the creators of this new form of life, but also its controllers. They could essentially dictate the rules of this new world order. Yet despite the potential risks and challenges, the allure of such a project is undeniable. The prospect of creating life, of shaping the future of humanity, is a tantalizing one. And who better to lead this revolution than the puppet masters of technology? The implications of such a creation are far-reaching and mind-boggling. A humanoid robot superior to humans in every aspect could be the dawn of a new age. Imagine a world where robots not only look like us, but also think, feel, and react like us. A world where the line between man and machine is blurred, ushering in a revolution that could redefine what it means to be human. Let's envision the capabilities of such a humanoid. It could perform any task that a human can do, but with greater efficiency and precision. From the simplest of chores to the most complex scientific research, these humanoids could outperform humans in every conceivable way. Consider the impact on our economy. With robots taking over roles in manufacturing, agriculture, and service industries, we could see a massive shift in the job market. While this could lead to job losses in certain sectors, it could also open up new, unprecedented opportunities. In the realm of labor, humanoids could work tirelessly, without the need for breaks or sleep. Dangerous jobs that risk human lives could be delegated to these resilient machines. From deep-sea exploration to firefighting, the potential applications are limitless. In warfare, the deployment of humanoid robots could change the face of battles forever. With superior strength, speed, and precision, humanoids could execute missions with a level of efficiency and safety that humans could never achieve. But the impact of the humanoid revolution goes beyond practical applications. It could fundamentally alter our society. How would we interact with beings that look like us, but are not us? How would it affect our understanding of identity, consciousness, and humanity itself? The humanoid revolution could be both thrilling and daunting. It promises a future of unimaginable possibilities, but also raises profound ethical and existential questions. As we stand on the brink of this new age, We must consider the potential repercussions and navigate this uncharted territory with wisdom and foresight. This could be the most significant revolution in human history. Yet, like a double-edged sword, this technological marvel carries with it potential perils. The creation of humanoid robots, as fascinating as it is, doesn't come without its share of risks. The first one that springs to mind is job displacement. As robots become more sophisticated, they could potentially replace human workers in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to customer service. This could result in massive job losses and increased social inequality. Moreover, there are significant ethical concerns to consider. What rights will these humanoid robots have? How will they be treated? If they are capable of experiencing emotions, suffering, or pleasure, what ethical obligations do we have towards them? These questions raise a whole new dimension of moral complexity. In addition, there's the fear that AI could become uncontrollable. This isn't just about robots rebelling against their human masters like in a science fiction movie. It's about the possibility that we could create something so powerful, so intelligent, that we simply can't predict or control what it will do. This is known as the singularity, the point at which artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. If we reach this point, the future could become radically unpredictable and potentially dangerous. But it's not all doom and gloom. The potential benefits of humanoid robots are enormous. They could perform tasks that are dangerous or impossible for humans, help us to understand ourselves better, and even become companions or caregivers. The key is to ensure that we navigate this double-edged sword with wisdom, foresight, and a deep respect for the immense power that we're dealing with. The creation of a super-intelligent humanoid robot is a thrilling yet terrifying prospect. It's a journey into the unknown, a leap into a future that could be filled with promise or peril. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must be mindful of the risks as well as the rewards, because the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. This could be humanity's greatest achievement or its undoing. As we've traversed through the labyrinth of possibilities, we've seen the immense potential that a super-intelligent humanoid robot harbors. The ability to outperform humans in almost every economically valuable work, the promise of an unprecedented era of prosperity. Yet, like a coin with two sides, these advancements are not without their perils. The risk of the machines outsmarting us, taking control, even the threat of human obsolescence. It's a future that teeters on the thin line between utopia and dystopia. Is it inevitable? Perhaps it's like a river flowing towards the sea. The current of technology is swift and unrelenting. It's not a question of if, but when. But remember, we hold the oars. We choose the direction. We shape the future. The future is a mystery waiting to be unraveled. We're the authors of this grand narrative. Let's wield our pens with wisdom. The world of AI is fascinating, filled with endless possibilities and daunting challenges. As we've journeyed together today through the unseen enigma, the puppet masters of technology, the humanoid revolution, and the future unveiled, we've glimpsed the double-edged sword of AI. A tool that promises to revolutionize our lives, or a threat that could replace humanity. The choice is ours, and it begins with awareness. It's about staying informed, engaged, and most importantly, proactive. It's about understanding the ripple effects of each technological leap and being ready to navigate the waves. No one can predict the future with certainty, but we can shape it, we can influence it, and we can prepare for it. It begins here, it begins now. So let's continue this journey together, exploring the mysteries, the challenges, and the endless possibilities of artificial intelligence. Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.